Welcome back to my channel. This is a video about the changing of headlight bulb in the Bajaj Chethak Two. The main problem is that the headlight is not working. So the common reason for this problem is that the headlight bulb is fused. So let's remove the headlight and check whether the headlight bulb is fused or not. So let's start. This is the top variant of Bajaj Chethak scooter manufactured in the year 2003. This vehicle comes with a 150cc air-cooled two-stroke engine. This variant of Bajaj Chethak scooter at that time comes with slight differences from the normal Bajaj Chethak, which is the front suspension system, the carburetor, the meter board fittings, etc. So only slight differences are from the normal Bajaj Chethak scooter. To remove the headlight reflector, there are two headlight mounting screws at the bottom of this ring. One is on the right side and one is on the left side of the bottom of this headlight ring. Okay, now it is unscrewing the left side screw, and there will be some tight here due to the rust formed here. But in our case, it is okay. Okay, now it is unscrewed. Next is unscrewing the right side screw of this ring. That screw is also unscrewed. Now the both screws are unscrewed. Then using a sharp-edged minus screwdriver, slip the headlight ring from the body like this, from the both sides. Then hold on the bottom of the headlight ring and pull it back from there by continuous shaking. It will get detached from the handlebar when this is done like this. Okay, now it is got detached. Then softly hang it from the handlebar like this. So this is a visual of the inside of this handlebar. There are so many wires are there inside this. So there is a dust cap at the behind of this reflector. This dust cap is originally manufactured by the company at that time. This dust cap prevents the dust from entering inside the reflector. So let's remove it. To remove it, just push it back from the reflector side like this. While pushing it back, push it slowly because it is all rubber which may tear when great force is applied. Okay, now it is removed. Then this is the bulb holder. The next step is removing this bulb holder. This bulb holder is locked on the top of the reflector through a clip. This clip is locked in a groove on the holder. To remove this holder, slip this clip like this and pull it back from the reflector like this. Okay, now the bulb holder and the reflector are separated. This is the reflector of this scooter. Leave it in a safe place. While checking this bulb, the filament of this bulb is burned and lying on the inside of this bulb. So this was the reason for the problem of ours. So this bulb is needed to be replaced. This bulb is attached on this bulb holder. To remove this bulb, push this bulb towards the holder like this. Then along with the pushing, turn it anti-clockwise like this and lift it from the holder. Okay, now the bulb is removed. So this is the new bulb bought for this scooter. This is halogen type bulb manufactured by the company Osra. Its power rating is about 35 watt and it costs about 80 rupees. So this is the new bulb. Before inserting this new bulb, clean the headlight reflectors etc. with a wet cotton waste. It will maintain this neatness inside this handlebar. It is cleaning the bulb holder, its wires inside this handlebar, and also the headlight rings, glasses, and the reflector. Also clean inside this reflector to clean the dust accumulated inside this reflector. Only use dry cotton waste at this time. It is also clean. So leave the bulb holders etc. for some time for drying the water components present at it. These are the two pins and the bulb holder for the high beam and low beam connections. Using a sandpaper, rub it also for better conductivity of electricity to the bulb. Okay, it is also rubbed and cleaned. It will ensure the good conductivity of electricity to the bulb. Okay, let's insert the new bulb. This is the new bulb in my hand. While holding this bulb, only touch on the metal part of this bulb. Don't touch on the glass part of this bulb. This will damage the bulb. To insert this bulb, there is a large protection on the metal part of this bulb and a small protection on the metal part of this bulb. These two protections are gone to the bulb holder. The large protection must be gone to the large groove of this bulb holder and the small protection of this bulb must be gone to the small groove of this bulb reflector. Keeping the bulb in this position, push the bulb towards this holder and turn it clockwise direction. The bulb will bulb will get locked. Okay, now the bulb is locked on the holder. Ensure that the two pins of this holder is connected to the two pins of that bulb. If not, correct it. Okay, now our work is almost completed. Before connecting this bulb holder to the reflector, start the scooter and turn on the headlight to ensure the bulb is working correctly. Okay, let's start. Okay, now the bulb is working perfectly. Testing high beam and low beam. It is also working perfectly. Okay, now our bulb is working perfectly. Next is connecting this bulb holder to the reflector of this headlight. For connecting, there are two slots in this bulb holder. One is in left side and one is in the right side. There is also two pins in this reflector. One is in left side and one is in right side. For connecting, the slots in this bulb holder must be aligned with the slots in the reflector. Also consider this sloped region of the bulb holder for the connecting of the lock clip from the reflector. Then connect it tightly to the reflector. Then slide that lock to the top of the bulb holder. A tick sound will be heard when it is placed on the lock. Okay, now it is placed. A special attention is needed to this place because these clips does not come contact with the pin of the bulb, otherwise it will get short circuited. Now it is okay. Then insert that rubber dust cap to the reflector. Ensure that the all sides are sticked to the reflector sides. Next is connecting this reflector to the handlebar. For that, there is a pin on the top side inside of this reflector and a hole on the top side of the handlebar. While fixing, these two things must be aligned first, like this. Then softly hit at the bottom of this reflector, like this. When hit, it will get locked in the correct place. Okay, it is also fixed. Then tighten the headlight mounting screw at the both sides. Tightening the left side screw. Okay, it is tightened. Tightening the right side screw. It is also tight. Now the both screws are tightened. So our work is completed. So this was the video about the changing of the headlight bulb in the Bajaj Chethak scooter. I know that this video is lengthy, but I tried to explain the maximum about the changing of this bulb. And also I included the minute points in it. That is why the length of the video is increased. So let's check again this bulb by starting the scooter to check whether it is working perfectly or not. So let's start with it. When started, the headlight is working perfectly and it is providing a good amount of light. So our headlight changing process is completed and it was a success. So this was the video. Please subscribe my channel and enable the bell icon. Like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.